Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Harry Viral. So today I will show you how to create a WhatsApp Messenger room by using your Android mobile. Nowadays this feature is almost rolling out for all Android mobile devices, but sorry friends, I don't know what about iOS platforms. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. First of all, open your WhatsApp Messenger application. Now in the chat sections, I try to select one of my close friend WhatsApp contact and then press this WhatsApp media icon and select room, and it is asked for continue in Messenger to create a room. So you can select continue in Messenger, and my room is assigned my best on my Facebook username. So you can note one thing, it shows my Facebook profile picture because this room feature is already available on Facebook Messenger application, and also this Facebook on this WhatsApp, so they launched this feature for WhatsApp also. So anyway, it shows my room activity as Harishankar's room. So if you want to change it, just press the room name. So it has the lots of room categories, so you can select your favorite one. So I will choose any one of this. Once you select, you can your rooms category and press create room as Shankar Jaswal. So friends, overall I complete my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Harry Viral, and thanks for watching.